Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the baseline. Open Settings, go to Battery, then Battery Health, and note maximum capacity and peak performance capability. Once done, update iOS so diagnostics are current, make a full iCloud or computer backup before changes. Reboot the phone and close all apps to reduce load while you work. If battery health shows abnormal readings, keep that in mind. But first minimize variables by disabling background app refresh and turning on low power mode so you can test real behavior. Now focus on practical fixes. Enable optimized battery charging and let the phone complete a full charge cycle. Charge to 100%, keep charging for 1 hour, then let it discharge to near 0 and charge back to 100 to recalibrate the sensor. While that runs, reduce screen brightness, restrict location services and background fetch for heavy apps, and turn off push mail where acceptable. If behavior remains inconsistent, make another backup and run reset all settings. If needed, perform a DFU restore to eliminate software causes. Finish by monitoring battery performance for 24 to 48 hours. Track percentage drop alongside screen on time and background activity to see real-world improvements. If maximum capacity remains below 80%, or you still get unexpected shutdowns, arrange an official battery replacement through Apple or an authorized service provider. Low capacity means diminished chemical life. And if you spot swelling, overheating, or extreme rapid drain, stop using the device immediately and get professional help. That's the one critical troubleshooting tip to avoid safety risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.